Chiropractors, if your Google reviews got deleted or removed overnight, then this is for you. So millions of Google reviews seem to have been deleted just within the past week. We're just going to talk about whether you should be concerned about them and walk through exactly what to do to improve the chances of getting them back. So just a little note here. The problem is not just affecting chiros, but it's also affecting all types of businesses. So just something to run through. We got businesses reporting from all over. Last week lost for 25-star Google reviews, and this is posted 24 hours ago. So within the past day, right? And it's like just going through legitimate claims. Likely they're still there. So there's a couple fixes here. We'll walk through a little bit on that in a second. And then another is like 10 real Google reviews over the course of 6 months. They've lost 55, right? Now there might be some issues, but if we look through here, other people saying that the reviews been losing reviews over the last 4 days, and this posted 4 days ago. But like down, another 70 reviews almost, lost 40 overnight, right? So a lot of reviews are being taken down. Just short of it all, right? It's not just affecting chiros, it's affecting all types of businesses. Some businesses are actually losing reviews, right? Others are just displaying the review count incorrectly. Right. And so some, like, you'll go through and you'll count all the number of reviews. It's like that number is not changed, right? You see every review that used to be there. And I've just experienced this. I went through one of our partners and it says, 50 reviews. And I went and counted and they have more than 50. Right. And so the counter is just off. They haven't necessarily lost a bunch of reviews. They just are saying that it's a different number. So that's just a bug on their end. Right. But if you're actually losing reviews, that's also a problem, right? Because we don't want those to get lost. And both of these are issues we probably should be submitting tickets for, right? So Google stated they're aware of this issue, they're working on a fix, right? And it can come for a variety of issues. A lot of people are non-compliant with the guidelines, and so they're trying to find ways to get people compliant with Google reviews guidelines. And with that, and so Google is aware of the issue, right? They're working on a fix. They've said they have. If you've already raised a case ID, just suggest being patient, at least as per this gold product expert. But with that said, like, we should be patient with this. Things we can do. We can actually submit that case ID with Google, right? So we want to contact Google Business Support. And so I'm just going to walk through real quick, like, how to submit that Google Business Support form. It is a little bit more in depth. So I'm not going to do that all in this video. It's a pretty short one. But if you do want that full step-by-step walkthrough to submit the Google profile form correctly to save time, save yourself from the hassle of maybe having to do it all over again, just click the link in the description, input your email. I'll send this to you in a step-by-step PDF, walking you through how to do this for your business. So it's pretty simple. But we have a PDF that we're given based on another content creator. He has a video walking through that as well. And I'll send this link right to you if you would like it. So just input your email, send it right to you, and you can go submit that form, and let's get this whole thing resolved. So it actually goes through the steps to make sure that you're not, wasting time or filling this out incorrectly. So anyways, go do that, and we will catch you in the next one.